We're back. Here's our victim. Donated, loaned to us. It's a scrap car by Sean Cunningham. If you need your car towed, you want to sell your shit to him, go buy it or go sell it to him. You can't kill a Buick. We can.
We're gonna try.
So we're gonna drain the oil. Let's see what it looks like. It was reported it had 0 brakes. Absolutely, he was right about that. So the lines were rotten, or he was told that, but the lines look really good. So this 3.1 is about to get the shit beat out of it. Drain the oil. Of course, drop the plug right in it. But look, it's really, all these are solid. It's got surface rust and it's got a Lightning McQueen kind of lean going on with this thing. But floors are solid. The wheel's straighter than Josh. I'm just kidding. I'm not kidding.
Yes, you are.
Stay tuned because this Mrs. Buttersworth, you guys said something about it, so we're gonna try. Worst case, it smells good. And then tomorrow, have a pancake fundraiser. Bye. As we prepare for the fuckery, pulling the AC down because why waste it? Shout out. It's messy. It's tasty though. Let's see. Sweet pour action here. Gonna mainline it.
It's the right consistency.
For now. For now. Hurry up, motherfucker. I got a cameraman, but he sucks.
Ready for number 2?
Number 2. We grab 3 because I'm fat. Oh, hurry. Oh, hurry. Stab it with your dick. Hit it. With your... Go ahead. Have you sip. Show people it's the real thing. God, it's so sticky. Come on. Sip it.
I just had some off the knife.
He's going to spill it. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Don't spill it, Josh.
Nailed it.
Fits in there? It was made for this.
It is, actually.
Alright, last one. So each one of these, 64 ounces, 128, yeah, 128 ounces in a gallon. So we only need half of that?
Half of it.
No,
Yeah.
a quarter of that.
Yeah, that's 2 quarts.
Oh yeah, that's right, yeah, 2 quarts. 2 quotes. We save the rest. That's good.
Yeah, that's about half.
That's like fucking soy sauce. All right. Hold on. Hold, please. Scrub a dub. Get it back in to the thing. A little low. Didn't mean to actually touch that. We're okay. Josh, do the honors.
You got it.
Start it. It is now 4:13. Call it 4:14. Let's see if it starts the first time. I don't know how long it's gonna last. Put it in park, motherfucker.
Oh, battery just died.
Oh. Ow. Hold, please. time lapse. 4:14. I'll be back. I lied. I have to hold the camera. 4:15. So I'll just pause in and out every minute. 4:15. Mrs. Buttersworth. 1 minute. Rev check. Syrup. Fun fact. For some reason I was called Syrup Daddy. Donnie, if you're watching this, I miss you. I'm sorry I poured syrup on you. I'm kidding, but I do miss you. We're gonna let that warm up a little bit. Ow, fuck. Or 18. Rev check. Breakfast just isn't the same. You can't have pancakes without butter. Kirkland, only the best.
It's like that Lucas oil additive, but
Yeah, fuck Pro Lube. Just kidding, don't come at me. This is satire. Don't do this shit for real unless you video it. Can I cram this whole thing in there, you think?
I mean, it'll kind of melt eventually.
It's like poop, you gotta shape it sometimes. Oh yeah. Come on. Sometimes it's a little cold. It's a lot like using Lucas when it's in the winter. Also, don't stick your fingers in there. We'll give that some time, okay? Come back. So, 4:21. We're now on 6 minutes. Rev check. Look at the butter. What next? You got any powdered sugar?
We'll go find some.
4:22. 7 minutes. Did it melt yet? Yeah. Not really. Then this thing needs to warm up. Does it smell better?
I'm impressed, actually.
Yeah. GM 3100. Oh, by the way, it's not 4:23. It's 4:24, so we might be almost out of gas. She's getting there. Doesn't smell bad. 4:25. That looked nice.
I heard it.
Eh,
Not yet.
it's not gonna squeak. It's not gonna have an issue because we don't care. Now we do have somebody come up here to look at a Cobra that I have for sale. So he's probably not gonna like the car because he sees what we're doing to this. Yeah, 4:26. 4:26. Damn, that's 11 minutes. Impressive. Yeah, see right here? That's butter. Yeah, no. Yep. Yep. Still got no blow by either.
Fine.
It's been 15 minutes. Shit. Sometimes you gotta fully incorporate your ingredients. It is a really nice car though. Whatever. What you see me sitting in is a little Buick Century. Yeah, Buick Century. That has been running for 20 minutes, well 15, 16 minutes off of maple syrup and butter. Smells amazing. Sorry about the dinger. I'm gonna come in tomorrow and I'm gonna finish blowing this motherfucker up. But now I have to go make a car sale on the flip car that I bought. It smells so good. It runs pretty good. Maple syrup, the cheap stuff, all 5 quarts of it, probably 6. But, oh god damn, it's so fat. And 3/4 of a thing of Kirkland grass-fed free-range butter or whatever kind of goofy shit that is. Been a trooper. Ooh. Maple syrup. Reminds me of Super Troopers.